Now we are going to draw the lunar eclipse. The same process, first to draw the straight line on the paper, and at the edge of the straight line with the radius of 2 or 3 centimeter, draw the sun and make the name sun, and then draw the tangent line. But first you make the vertical 2 points. Touching these 2 points, use the large scale, you draw the tangent line. Here it is, and make sure that these 3 points are meeting at the these 3 lines are meeting at the same point, and these lines are touching the sun's edge. Do not intersect the circle, okay? Do not keep any gap from this circle. Just touch the sun's edge and meeting at the same point. After meeting this same point, in the solar eclipse we have drawn the moon, because the moon is in between the sun and the earth in solar eclipse. But in case of lunar eclipse, the earth is in between the sun and the moon. So we draw the earth here. Okay. So I am using the coin to draw the earth. You may use any other object. Make sure that this circle should touch these two lines. Same process. See, this is the earth touching these two lines. You write here, this is the earth. Clear? Now you extend the line if it is short. Okay. Now we are going to draw the moon. But first what to do? First we draw the shadow line. From the sun's edge touching the earth's surface, we are going to draw the shadow line. Here it is, and also here it is. See, this shadow line also touching the sun's surface, not intersecting the sun, and also the earth's surface. Just touched the circle. Okay, you must be aware about this, and don't make any overline or break line. Clear? Draw the extra marks here. May erase the extra marks, and we are going to draw the moon here. I am going to draw the moon by hand, but you can also use any small circular object. Like this, I am going to draw the moon here. Centering this line, I am going to draw the moon. And here you just draw the moon's orbit. And here also draw the sun's earth's orbit. Make sure that earth's orbit must be larger than the moon's orbit. Clear? And in the solar eclipse, this orbit should be opposite to each other, but in the lunar eclipse, this orbit should be same direction, because the earth is also revolving the sun and moon is revolving the earth in this way. Clear? And draw the another moon here with the same size to show the partial lunar eclipse. Okay, and you just extend it. Here it is, and here it is. Now make it a shadow, because this is the lunar eclipse zone. See here, this is the lunar eclipse zone. Make the dark earth or moon's part dark. You can use pencil sketch to make it shadow line. This is the lunar eclipse zone. You may give an arrow and show that is the lunar total. You just write here total lunar eclipse zone. Clear? Because from this portion, if you stand here in from the earth, we cannot see the moon here, because the earth's shadow is falling on the moon. See, this is the shadow line and moon is in the shadow area, because so that's why from the earth you cannot see the moon here. So this is the lunar eclipse zone. Okay, and this is the partial lunar eclipse zone because the partial shadow is falling here. The sun's light is falling. So these are the partial lunar eclipse zone, and this is the total lunar eclipse zone because moon is covered by the earth's shadow. So we cannot see the moon here. Clear? So the steps are just the same. First you draw the straight line. Then from the edge of the straight line draw the sun with 2 or 3 centimeter. Then draw the tangent line crossing each other at the same point and touching the sun's surface. Then draw the earth after this and touching these two lines draw the earth. Then draw the shadow line touching the sun's surface and also the earth's surface. And then in the shadow area draw the moon. Okay, show the moon's orbit and try to draw the partial lunar eclipse and draw the moon's here to show it, and draw the earth's orbit. Give all the name in proper place, and you also give that is the moon. Clear? Show all the names here and give the heading. The drawing is over. No more overline, no more breaking line, no more joints. Clear? Thank you.